Let me ask you something. What was the last time have you picked up your phone without any reason? Not to reply, not to work, not because someone has reached out to you, just to pick it up. That's it. Most of us don't even realize it anymore. It's just automatic, like it's in the autopilot, just a reflex. And social media addiction doesn't look like any other kind of addiction. It's not dramatic. It's quiet. It's scrolling while we're waiting, scrolling before you sleep, or even scrolling when you're feeling alone or uncomfortable or bored. The easiest thing to do is pick up your own phone and pretty much scroll. And you know what's the craziest part on all of this? It's completely normalized. No one even thought or thinking that this is a challenge or this is a problem that we're going through right now. And if you feel distracted all the time, as well as being tired without even doing anything, sometimes even motivated, but you're not even able to focus on anything anymore. You are not broken, you are just overstimulated. Your brain, specifically, it's overstimulated. And here is actually what social media does to our brain. Every like, every scroll, every short form content, it releases dopamine, and not the deep dopamine that we get when we do something meaningful, but it's actually the cheapest one, the easiest one, and the fast one. And automatically your brain starts learning one thing: why focus where I actually can get stimulated instantly? And this actually affects everything: your attention span, your patience, your ability to think deeply, and your ability to sit with discomfort. And for normal people, this actually feels like normal: feeling busy but not fulfilled, and procrastinating simple tasks, and always feeling behind. And for entrepreneur or ambitious people, it's even worse, because of course you want to build, you want to focus, you want 100% of you, and your brain is trained for consumption, not creation. So what happens is, when you sit down to work, you have a task in front of you, things that you need to do, you're supposed to do, and 5 minutes, 10 minutes into it, you find yourself already dumb scrolling in your own phone without even noticing it. And that's not the lack of discipline. This is conditioning. That's what brain is trained for. Actually, I remember a moment very, very clearly. I was sitting in a public space, in a cafe to be specific. I was editing one of my videos. And when I finished, I just look around and I found every single person that was sitting in that public space was scrolling in his phone. Every single one of them. And because I know the place, I know most of them actually are students, and they do have their own laptops in front of them. That's the time of their own exams. And unfortunately, none of them was doing what it's supposed to do. All of them on their own phone. And one of them was actually sitting like really close to me, and I can hear his videos. I can hear like the contents, and I can hear the sound of the content that he was scrolling through. And it was literally TikTok. And it hits me, like, I realized, like, currently at this moment, attention is our new currency. Not money, not followers, it's purely the attention itself. And every app is designed for that specifically. Every notification is designed to steal a few minutes on your life. And you know what's the scariest part on all of this? Is most people, they don't even realize they're paying with their own attention. And they think they're just relaxing, but they are actually very slowly losing the ability to sit still, to focus, and to feel sometimes as well. And honestly, that moment, it scares me, because I saw myself on it too. And I'm not here to pretend that I'm perfect. I'm still struggling with it from time to time. But here is what actually helped me. The first step was just being aware. It's awareness that this is something that we're going through. That's the reality that we are living in right now. Because before, I thought that was normal. I thought that was just as everyone does. It's just like something we do to relax, or just something normalized. I never questioned it before. So first step actually was just me being aware of it. And honestly, I recommend a movie that I watched. The title of it is like Social Dilemma. Make sure to check that movie, because it actually helps you to open up your eyes on how all those platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok are designed to steal your own attention. Every single button, clicks, anything, likes, comments, everything was designed to keep you as long as they can in their own platform. And the second thing is intentional limits. Not deleting everything, but just being aware, being the man with the control, be the person that controls those social media instead they control you. I set a time for those platforms to check daily. The third thing actually is just replacing, not removing. So what I did is I replaced the time that I spend in those platforms on other productive things. It could be like reading, it could be just walking, just sit still, just because when you sit still, like really just sitting there, you optimize your mind to think. And that's it. When I feel the urge to scroll, I go for a walk and I let my brain be bored again. And because boredom, it's where the clarity comes from again to us. And final step for me was just creating more than consuming. As you can notice already, like from the get-go of this year, I started producing content. This is a challenge between me and myself. I want to just be a creative, instead of consuming. Why not pick up your own phone and record something? Every single one of us has something to offer. All of us have something unique that we can offer, that you can inspire. You can share your own life with others to inspire them to do something. This is a challenge that I went through, and I just love to share it with you. And I have a lot of my friends are actually going through challenges like this, and some of them, they already doing a really good job just fighting against this kind of urges. And even if it's messy, it doesn't have to be perfect after all. And creation heals actually what consumption breaks before. And if this video resonated with you, and if you feel like distracted, you feel overstimulated, cannot focus lately, I want you to know that you are not alone. And if you want more honest conversations like this about focus, presence, growth, and being present again, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As I'm not here to scream at you, I'm here to walk the journey with you.